Eat 1 spoonful of flax seeds every day. See what happens to your body. Flax seeds, often hailed as a superfood, are tiny yet mighty little powerhouses packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. These tiny brown or golden seeds are loaded with essential fatty acids, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Incorporating just 1 spoonful of flax seeds into your daily routine can lead to profound health benefits over time. From improved digestion to better heart health, flax seeds are a simple, affordable, and highly effective addition to your diet. In this article, we will explore the transformative effects that consuming a spoonful of flax seeds every day can have on your body. 1. Improved digestion and gut health. One of the most noticeable benefits of consuming flax seeds daily is their positive impact on digestion. Flax seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements, alleviate constipation, and promote overall digestive health. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance, which can soften stools and make them easier to pass. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to stool and speeds up the passage of waste through the digestive tract. Eating 1 spoonful of flax seeds every day can help you maintain regular bowel movements, reduce bloating, and relieve digestive discomfort. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for immune function, nutrient absorption, and the prevention of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis. 2. Heart health and cholesterol reduction. Flax seeds are considered one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are essential for heart health because they help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that regular consumption of flax seeds can significantly lower total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. This helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attack, stroke, and arteriosclerosis. By eating just 1 spoonful of flax seeds daily, you provide your body with a healthy dose of ALA, which can enhance your heart health by improving blood lipid profiles and reducing inflammation. Additionally, the lignans found in flax seeds, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties, have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans in flax seeds makes them a heart-healthy food that contributes to overall cardiovascular wellness. 3. Support for weight management. Flax seeds are an excellent addition to a weight management plan due to their high fiber content. The soluble fiber in flax seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. By eating 1 spoonful of flax seeds, which contains about 3 grams of fiber, you can curb hunger pangs and avoid unnecessary snacking. Flax seeds also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes in energy. This can be particularly beneficial for people with insulin resistance or those managing type 2 diabetes. By keeping blood sugar levels steady, flax seeds help regulate appetite and prevent overeating, which can support healthy weight loss or maintenance. Furthermore, the healthy fats in flax seeds may aid in fat burning, making them an excellent food for those looking to lose excess body fat. 4. Reduced inflammation and joint health. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in many health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Flax seeds, particularly their omega-3 fatty acids, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, reducing the risk of inflammation-related conditions. Consuming 1 spoonful of flax seeds daily may help reduce joint pain and stiffness associated with inflammatory conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Regular intake of flax seeds may also alleviate muscle soreness after exercise, making them an ideal food for athletes or active individuals. By reducing inflammation, flax seeds promote overall wellness and help manage chronic inflammatory conditions. 5. Better skin health. Flax seeds can have a noticeable impact on your skin thanks to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, Omega-3s help maintain skin hydration by preventing water loss from the skin, which can reduce dryness and promote a smooth, glowing complexion. Flax seeds are also rich in lignans, which have antioxidant properties that help protect the skin from oxidative stress and UV damage. Eating flax seeds regularly may also reduce the occurrence of acne and other skin conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds can help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation in the skin, which is particularly beneficial for those with conditions like eczema or psoriasis. By incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you can support healthier, more radiant skin. 6. Hormonal balance and menstrual health. Flax seeds are known for their potential to help balance hormones, especially in women. They contain lignans, which are phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. This can be especially beneficial for women going through menopause or experiencing hormonal imbalances. Consuming 1 spoonful of flax seeds daily can help alleviate symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. By promoting hormonal balance, lignans also help regulate estrogen levels, which can improve menstrual cycle regularity and reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. Furthermore, flax seeds may lower the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer, by supporting optimal estrogen metabolism. 7. Cancer prevention. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, which are plant compounds with powerful antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Research has shown that lignans can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Lignans act as antioxidants, scavenging free radicals that can cause cell damage and contribute to cancer development. Additionally, lignans may help regulate estrogen levels, which could reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, such as breast cancer. Flax seeds also contain compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the case of breast and colon cancers. By consuming 1 spoonful of flax seeds every day, you can harness the cancer-fighting properties of lignans and antioxidants to support overall health and reduce cancer risk. 8. Improved brain function. Flax seeds are a great source of ALA, omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in brain health. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, improving cognitive function, and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Regular consumption of flax seeds has been shown to support memory, focus, and mood regulation. The anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds also benefit the brain by reducing inflammation that can impair cognitive function. By eating flax seeds daily, you can promote better brain health and potentially delay cognitive decline as you age. Incorporating just 1 spoonful of flax seeds into your daily diet can have a significant and positive impact on your overall health. From supporting heart health and reducing inflammation to promoting better digestion, skin, and brain function, flax seeds are a nutrient-packed superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether sprinkled on your breakfast cereal, added to smoothies, or incorporated into baked goods, flax seeds are an easy and versatile addition to your routine. By making this small change to your diet, you can reap the many rewards that flax seeds have to offer and enhance your health in numerous ways.